Assalamu alaikum. Here is your host Mudassir Majid, and today we are here at Kachora Lake. I have with Mr. Rashid. He is also enjoying at Kachora Lake, and here you can take a look at the beauty of this Kachora Lake, and especially when you talk about the mighty mountains along with the tall trees and the green water that gives us a splendid sight. So here you can take a look. Some of the people just enjoying around, and it is giving such a splendid sight all around. You can take a look. A lot of people are just coming out here and they're enjoying the beauty of this pleasant lake, and people are just coming from far-fetched areas. That shows the beauty of the importance of this beauty, importance of the beauty of this lake. So what would you like to say, Mr. Rashid, about what's your opinion about this lake?
सर ने जो अपनी ख़ास खूबसूरत आवाज़ में, क्योंकि ये इंग्लिश के प्रोफेसर हैं, इसलिए इन्होंने बड़ा खूबसूरत इजहार बयान। मैं उर्दू पढ़ाता हूँ, इसलिए मैं उर्दू में कुछ इन मनाज़िर को कैद करने की कोशिश करूँगा। इस वक्त हम कचौरा लेक पे मौजूद हैं और हम एक कश्ती में सवार हैं और साथ साथ अपनी टांगों को हरकत भी दे रहे हैं, और इधर इसके किनारों पे ढेरों लोग जो है चेयर्स पे मौजूद हैं अपनी फैमिलीज़ के साथ। और यहाँ इसके किनारों पे जो खूबसूरत तवील और लंबे दरख्त जो हैं, उसमें बिल्कुल सिलसिलावार
attraction है। mean कि I have seen the Tabad Lake, and after that Lulusar Lake, and Sakalmanuk as well. So but whereas I have seen the beauty of this lake is marvelous, simply marvelous, because all around it is covered by the mighty mountains. Even though I have seen the Tabad Lake, that is no doubt that is beautiful as well. But this is because people are just coming from far away areas. And when you talk about it, is just when you have to hike somewhere. So when you hike and you do something like you can travel somewhere, so the importance of this lake increases. So it is something you can take a look at the beauty of this lake, and definitely people are coming from different places, different cities, so they're enjoying the maximum, and definitely they should enjoy the beauty of this lake, because especially this is the month of June and July. When you talk about the month of June, so when you talk about the Punjab and the rest of the other Sindh and other areas, so there is too much hotness, and here there's neither too much cold, neither too much hot. The temperature is quite moderate. So I mean overall it is giving a spectacular sight, and I feel that I am enjoying it maximum, because it is giving me some sort of a chance to elaborate my insight out, to express my feelings and emotions which I'm having after watching this beautiful lake. So no doubt I have no words even to collect to explain the beauty of this lake, but still just helping by getting some words to explain the views of Mr. Rashid as well as mine. To explaining it, but somehow it is giving somehow good idea to come out here and enjoy in the month of June and July. So till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz. So let's move. अच्छा बन गया ये।